bottle cap might be considered as a small, not important thing. However, this is critical part of the packaging, and especially for mineral water application. Ecopet, as a responsible closure manufacturer, for the sake of environmental aspects and upcoming EU regulations, will produce fully compliant tethered closures for soft drink applications. Undoubtedly, that way will support and improve plastic cups recycling. Nearly 3,000 square meters of plant surface will ensure more than 1 billion closures per year and provide readiness for next 500 million. In a range of 300 kilometers from here, we have almost all important producers of mineral water in Poland. This is next opportunity to reduce transportation and carbon footprint consequently. Building infrastructure is designed to utilize both heating energy coming from the process and cooling energy needed for production purposes.
The entire investment, starting from the concept, was designed using the BEAM methodology. We also utilized models during the preparation and construction phase. In the initial stage of the conceptual design, this allowed us to verify multiple scenarios and choose the optimal one for the Ecopet. The analysis conducted during the conceptual phase were crucial for the final shape of the building. Throughout the process, we used the Autodesk AEC collection. Designing on a single model and ability to share data across all the industries result in fewer errors during the construction phase.
We took great care in attending to numerous details, from aesthetic preferences such as filleted corners to functional solutions such as angled loading docks. And they were thoughtfully designed with sleek and angled surfaces at 45 degrees. And this choice was made to optimize the maneuvering space, ensuring smooth operations. And for accurate simulations in this area, we employed the vehicle tracking plugin.
We were using Revit and Navisworks to model and review geometry and run clash detection between architecture, structure, building services, and services to do with machines and production technology. Using Navisworks walkthroughs, we were able to identify critical locations inside the model where clashes were eliminated. Thanks to this, all clashes were managed at the design stage, and we didn't have any unforeseen coordination issues during the construction phase.
3D environment has been delivered unique opportunity to place both machines and complete technology in virtual building. Therefore now we don't have any issues with equipment assembly. It saves the money. We don't struggle with improper machine, piping and wiring layout.
During weekly coordination meetings with the wider design team and the main contractor on site, everyone could access Autodesk Docs. We would go through outstanding issues and reviews and tick off completed tasks. This saved a lot of time and reduced the number of emails. Through Autodesk Docs, everyone had access to the latest versions of files. We also had to deal with a lot of complicated technology pipework running alongside building services. Design elements such as curved building facade, changing levels across the site, and curved sloping walls around external stair would be all too difficult to explain to the construction team without the 3D model, which was available to view for everyone using the platform. For me, this is the only way to manage design coordination and construction.
We believe that implementing BEAM and leveraging the Autodesk AEC collection not only accelerates project workflows and enhances communication, but also significantly reduces potential errors during construction. This leads to substantial time and cost savings during the whole process.